If you're someone like me who has dry skin, but also your skin is super sensitive, most of body scrub that you find is going to be very harsh on your skin. This is the video for you. Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome or welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today I'm here to discuss with you a brand new body scrub from Drunk Elephant, and it's called the Sugar Coffee Almond Milk Scrub. Sample size that I got, and I've been trying it out for the past probably 2 or 3 weeks, and now we have a verdict. So let's go. I post a lot of videos about makeup, skincare, beauty, fragrances. If you enjoy that kind of content, make sure you consider subscribing and clicking the bell notification button right next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I post my weekly video. Why is it so loud? I'm using Sephora app right now, and it is $28 for a 9 ounces or 270 ml of product. So it is one of the cheapest Drunk Elephant skincare product ever in the world, because we all know they're up there in price. Drunk Elephant is a skincare and environmental conscious brand. Great ingredients that are healthy for you and supposed to be good for everyone. Specifically, this scrub is a moisturizing body scrub that nourishes the skin while buffing dry spots, gently sweeping away dead skin cells without disrupting your skin barrier. It has coffee seed oil, which is rich in free radical fighting caffeine and antioxidant phenolic compound, raw sugar to work as a scrub. Almond milk blend doesn't contain fragrance or essential oils, cruelty free. I have tried this product both on my body and on my face. Your face is a very sensitive area. The skin on your face is much thinner than on the rest of your body, so you have to watch what you use to cleanse your skin with, and usually the normal body scrub will not work for your face because it's way too harsh and it could hurt. First of all, it looks like this. This is just a small sample. It just looks like a sugar scrub, big grains of sugar, kind of like raw sugar or brown sugar. It smells delicious. It smells a little sweetness from the sugar, not like vanilla kind of a sweetness. It's just a sugary sweetness. Very slightly though. It has a coffee scent and it has an almond milk. So basically, if you go to Starbucks and you order a almond milk latte, that is very much what this smells like. It's delicious. Let's talk about the body first. The way you apply any body scrub is on wet skin, and you gently scrub it while having the moisture on your skin. If your skin gets dry from the scrub, then add a little bit more water to it, just to give it a little bit more room for the sugar to melt a little bit and to make it not as harsh. Exfoliating your body is very important, especially if you are suffering from dry skin, because that leaves a lot of flakiness, like ashiness, if you will. That's how American people say talk about it, I think. It's not healthy for your skin. And by exfoliating once or twice a week, you will prevent the flakiness to appear on your skin and to keep it fresh. You need to be extra protective of it afterwards, which means you have to put on body lotion, ideally a fragrance-free and a more healthy kind of body lotion, and then you have to put on sunscreen so that you don't get your skin exposed to the UV ray. Your skin is going to be more vulnerable. Those are some notes on body scrubs and exfoliation. It is healthy to do it once or twice a week, not more than that. The sugar particles in here are not sharp like some of the body scrubs that I have tried from the drugstore before. Those scare me because it is painful. This does not do that. It's very gentle because I feel like the sugar particles in here are more round and not as sharp, or because I have learn that I should be gentle and add more water and just be very gentle with it. It's very pleasant, it's delicious, it's almost like wake you up just because of how delicious it is. It is a spiritual experience in its own way, because showering is one of my favorite things to do after a long day of work, And with a body scrub, I feel like I get extra treatment, you know, like I'm going to a spa, I'm gonna give myself a makeover. And when I use it on my face, I have to be extra careful, add a lot more water, be a lot more gentle. I wouldn't recommend it for your face. I just wanted to try it to see how versatile it is, but for my face, I prefer a chemical kind of exfoliant like a AHA, like the Drunk Elephant Serum. I have a review for that. Those are meant for more thinner skin on your body and more sensitive area of the body. Just want to make a short review. There's not much else to say. This is a great product. I highly recommend it if you are on the market and looking for a body scrub that doesn't give you painful skin afterwards and doesn't dry you out so much. Another great thing about this is that it has a bunch of natural oil, so it's very moisturizing and it doesn't strip your skin off of all of that moisture. It kind of add to it at the same time as buffing off the dead skin and leave your skin more smooth. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of body scrubbing and what you think of this particular product from Drunk Elephant. I feel like it's very affordable being in Sephora and how much product you get. Everyone has different budgets, so let me know what you think. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.